In this video, I want to talk a little bit about pen and ink and paper and frustration. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I am in the process of changing over to using reusable and washable surfaces for my artwork. And of course, I got to I mentioned the Sumi ink. And I'm trying that on different surfaces and not having an awful lot of luck, even when it's thicker. So many fabrics are so absorbent. I was going to soak some like linen or muslin in unflavored gelatin to give it a sizing, and then I could just hang that to dry and it would give me a temporary page that I could then wash and it should all wash off. Believe it or not, the store was out of gelatin. So I have to wait on that. One surface that does work is brown paper bags. Now you see I've written diary in today's date. I don't want to give up my pens. I can't. I'm a pen and ink artist, and I'm probably moving toward Sumi ink because it's made more naturally than a lot of the dyes and chemicals in ink. But for now, I have ink coming out of my ears, and I'm not going to throw it all away. I've tried a few surfaces for regular writing or calligraphy, and again, I'm not having an awful lot of luck on a lot of them. I love to write, and I love pens. And these are just a few of them. I also use ballpoint pens, Parker calligraphy pens. I have so many different types of pens that they're not all going to match a washable surface. So what I'm settling on is brown paper bags that come from the store. This will take Sumi. This happens to be a Schaefer pen with Noodler's ink. But this will take Sumi, and I just have to make it a better brush than the one I was using. And the store, I don't know about your location, but all of the stores are switching to brown paper instead of plastic. I already have this huge collection of brown paper bags in the closet. I'm going to cut them up, and as you can see, this is a Moleskine diary, and this is a Jane a Day diary, a 5-year journal. And it's not the cost, although the Moleskines are like $18 to $20 for a journal. But it's not the cost. It's the fact that why do that when you can do this? I mean, we're given so much paper every day. You go to the store, they give you a bag. So this is 10 pages total out of one bag, and they're about 6 by 5, 7 by 5 maybe. And so it's an alternative, and it's a way to help save the planet. If we're going to go to brown paper bags anyway to cut down on plastic, we might as well use it as much as we can. And you don't have to staple it and use staples. You could punch holes in it and tie it with a disposable cotton string. I mean, my point is, we get free paper all the time, and yet we get so spoiled, especially as pen collectors and writers, of having a perfect paper. This has a sizing to it because of the strength it needs to be for groceries. It's a wonderful surface to write on.